What's up everyone? I hope you're doing really good today. And recently I did a video about my diamond team, about how you can earn daily passive income in a similar style to Drip. Really briefly, how my diamond team works is that you make a deposit in BNB and it pays you 1.5% of whatever you've deposited back to you daily. You can either withdraw that into your wallet or you can recompound it with a 5% bonus back into your deposits. So this protocol has the power of compounding interest. And if you do want to find out about my diamond team, the project in general, then I've done a whole video on that explaining everything that happens with it, and I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. To join this project, you need a referral link, and I just put it out there and said, hey guys, if you want to join this project, you can use my referral link if you want, or you can use somebody else's referral link. And people did use my referral link, and I said that every weekend, I'm going to airdrop all my earnings to my team. You can see here I've got 0.68 BNB, which is worth about 270 bucks, and that's what I've gotten over the weekend. So that is what I'm going to airdrop to my team in just a second. What I'd also like to do is make sure that members of my team actually get some bigger payouts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to alternate weekends. This weekend, I'm going to airdrop everybody. Next weekend, I'm going to airdrop just 3 people that I'm going to randomly choose with a random number generator. And this amount is going to be divided by those 3 people. And then the following weekend, I'm going to do the whole team again. And then the weekend after that, I'm going to pick 3 different wallets and just so on and so on and so on. So if you do want to join my team to get these regular airdrops, then the referral link is in the description. And look, you don't have to join my team if you want to join my diamond team. There are lots of other referral links out there, so you can find somebody else's, but regardless, you need somebody's referral link, and I'm just letting you know what I'm doing with people who are part of my team. This is the place where you do a team airdrop. So what I'm going to do right now is withdraw the rewards into my wallet, put the amount in here, put the team ID in here, and then send it to everybody. So I've just withdrawn that, so you can see my unwithdrawn has gone back down to 0. My withdrawn has gone to this. Now let's do the airdrop. So here's the team ID. Here's the amount I've just withdrawn. I'm not going to send it to myself, and let's go. So there you go. You can see total airdrop sent 0.68 BNB. That's divided between the whole team. You don't get that much each. And next week, whatever this unwithdrawn amount is that accumulates over the weekend, I'm just going to pick 3 people from my team randomly and airdrop those 3 people a much higher amount of money each. So that's it, my friends. I just wanted to show you me doing the airdrop, and I'd love to know what you think about my diamond team. What do you think about this protocol? Are you invested in it? How much are you withdrawing? Are you compounding? Are you taking profits every day? Would love to know about all that stuff. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.